Hey everybody, Dave Foster here. I'm at one of my open houses today at 4 Kinfolk Lane in Bowdoin, Maine. Be here from 10:30 to noon. And I made a joke on Facebook the other day when I was notifying people about this, that I would do a song, maybe play some background music at the open house, and everybody thought that that was a good idea, which I thought was ridiculous. But then I thought, well, you know what, maybe I'll do a song. So I wrote this song about 5 years ago, and it's a story about how when people leave their homes, they leave behind the memories that they built in those homes. This one follows a little girl, and I'll try to sing it. I'm doing it without being able to see too well the words, so I'll try to sing it now. So it's called Your Home. So. Silly face, all smiles in your high chair, not a care. Silly face, throwing food at the puppy, way to share. Crazy face, doing cartwheels on the lawn, flying. Crazy face, queen of all that used to be, strong and fair. When they ask us what happened here, we smile and remember, how did it all begin? When they dream of what's to come, we'll open up the door and step aside to show them in. Come on. Your pretty face, when he came to pick you up, I was there. Pretty face, woven flowers cast the lights in your hair. Goodbye face, going off to some new place, I wonder where. Goodbye face, drop the car keys in your hand, take care. When they ask us what happened here, we'll smile and remember, how did it all begin? When they dream of what's to come, we'll open up the door, step aside and show them in. Come on, come on, oh, come on. Your There. My first song at an open house. Maybe my last. Hope you all have a great day, and don't forget, today's the day. Don't dog it.